Get paid with Google Search. How to make money online in 2024. We discovered a groundbreaking platform that pays you to search in Google, unlocking the potential to earn thousands weekly without investing a dime. Join us in this step-by-step guide to tap into a brand new, free opportunity that's generating over $12,000 per month for savvy users. Imagine making thousands per week without owning a website or spending a dime. Well, you're in luck. Let's dive into the details. Step 1. Open a blank Google document. Simple, right? Just go to Google and search for Google Docs or directly visit docs.google.com. Now, on to Step 2. Explore an affiliate program with the potential to earn up to $100,000 per month. Impressive, huh? Head over to this game changer, the UK's own Temu platform. Similar to Amazon but with higher affiliate commissions, it's not limited to UK residents. Anyone worldwide can tap into this opportunity without selling products or running a website. Check out the products on tm.com, scroll down to the affiliate and influencer program, and witness real-time withdrawals hitting PayPal. Time to put your content to work. Create a Google document and paste your article. Customize it by removing unnecessary elements. Highlight the key points and add your affiliate links. Craft a compelling call to action like click here to get the best workout program and embed your affiliate link. Repeat this throughout your article, making it unmissable. Now, the power move. Download your Google document as a PDF and head to platforms like slideshare.net and vm.media. With millions of visitors monthly, these platforms can drive traffic to your content. Simply upload your PDF and you're set to capture attention. Ever thought about leveraging YouTube without showing your face? Faceless YouTube automation is the key. Start a channel that gets tens of thousands of views, driving free traffic and ad revenue. It's the perfect way to promote your links hassle-free. Learn how to start these channels, make money from ad revenue, and seamlessly promote your links. Did you know that Google's founders Larry Page and Sergey Brin were so engrossed in their work that they used Lego bricks to create a makeshift storage compartment for the 10 4GB hard drives that comprised Google's first ever server? Back in 1996, when Google was just a research project at Stanford University, the duo repurposed these colorful interlocking bricks to construct a low-budget but effective housing solution for their hardware. The Lego server not only showcased the founders' resourcefulness, but also embodied the playful and inventive spirit that Google would carry into its future endeavors. Fast forward to today, where Google has evolved into a tech giant with a myriad of services and innovations. This humble Lego server stands as a whimsical reminder of the company's origins and the creative spark that fueled its transformative journey from a dorm room project to one of the world's most influential and innovative corporations. It goes to show that even the tech giants had their beginnings in the most unexpected and playful places. When it comes to monetizing a web page, Profitability Plus recommends exploring Google's AdSense, a cost-per-click or CPC advertising source. If you own a blog or website, incorporating Google AdSense codes allows you to earn cash per click when visitors engage with the ads. Important to note is that Google AdSense is a free tool for web page owners, and the sign-up process is straightforward. However, it's crucial to mention that Google AdSense cannot be used with WordPress.com. If you're on this platform, you may want to consider alternatives. Moving on to AdWords, a similar tool tailored for advertisers. It won't directly generate income for you, yet effectively leveraging AdWords can significantly boost your page views, translating to increased income. AdWords targets users already searching for your products or service, enhancing your ability to attract your target audience. Google Opinion Rewards offers an opportunity to get paid for sharing your thoughts. By participating in surveys through the Google Play Store app, you can earn free Google Play credits. While the earnings may be modest, it's a simple way to accumulate extra funds for leisure activities. If you have app development skills, consider creating and selling apps on Google Play. You can either sell the app directly or include Google Ads within it. As your user base grows, so does your potential income. For those interested in search engine evaluation, you can get paid to optimize search engine results. Companies like LeapForce, Appen, iSoftStone, and Lionbridge offer opportunities in this field, and the typical rate is around $12 per hour. It's a legitimate way to earn extra income, ensuring search engines provide relevant results. Another avenue for earning through Google is by writing and selling books on Google Play. After writing your book, sign up as a publisher or author on the Google Books Partner Program. Upload your book file and start earning. SEO consulting is a lucrative option if you possess search engine optimization skills. Offer your services to businesses and websites looking to enhance their online presence through effective SEO strategies. Google also provides remote career opportunities, including roles in development, engineering, operations, and administration. The company is open to freelancers, making it worthwhile to explore if you already have a freelancing career. While Google Checkout won't directly make you money, it enhances trust in your business transactions. Consider using Google Checkout if you have an existing business and want to build customer confidence. Google Keyword Planner is a valuable tool for businesses and websites to understand user search queries. Although it's a long-term strategy, planning content with relevant keywords can drive traffic and eventual profits. For those with a substantial YouTube following, monetize your channel with Google through AdSense and other methods. The same applies to Blogger, a free platform owned by Google where you can build a blog following and monetize through various avenues, including AdSense, affiliate marketing, and sponsored posts. Alright, Profitability Plus community. That concludes our deep dive into this exciting money-making platform. The potential to earn big bucks without the hassle of running your own website or investing any money is genuinely groundbreaking, don't you think? Remember, the key to success lies in action. So, here's your call to action. Take the knowledge you've gained today, put it into practice, and embark on your journey towards financial freedom. Join our thriving community by hitting that subscribe button and ringing the notification bell. We're committed to bringing you more insider tips, tricks, and opportunities to elevate your online earning game. Stay tuned for our upcoming content, where we'll continue to unravel untapped opportunities and guide you towards the financial success you deserve. Until next time, keep hustling, keep innovating, and remember, your profitability journey is just the beginning. See you in the next one.